What's up, buddy? This is Lucky. Welcome back to my channel, Lucky Programmers. This is the last video in this series, English Typing Classes Online. You will become good at typing if you have finished all these 10 classes properly. I want to let you know that I made a video on how to use Luke Typing Pro software without even buying it. You can watch this video from I button above, or you have the link in the description box below. You must watch this video, don't miss it. So, buddy, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends, kids and as many people as you can. Now, copy the first line from the description box and paste it in Microsoft Word or Luke Typing Pro software. It's totally your choice, but I recommend you to use Luke Typing Pro software. That software will improve your typing skills. You have to type this first line at least 100 times and practice until you get perfection. After completing the first line, pick the second paragraph and practice at least 100 times and get good perfection. Here ends the series of English typing classes online. Smash the like button if you feel our content is useful. Thank you for watching.